Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Installation of this above-ground pool is not extremely hard or confusing, but it is a big job. The secret to installing a pool so that it will give you years of pleasure is to take the time to follow instructions and do things right the first time.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Above-ground pools are every bit as safe and fun as an in-ground pool. Depending on your yard and your installer, you can have your pool up and running anywhere from 24 to 72 hours later. Above-ground pools are also easy to remove.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.